Hello YouTube family, how are you all doing? Today I am going to talk about the new update that is 5.0 of Lion CRM. You will going to absolutely love this update. Why? Because of the new UI design we have created in this update. So first, now this header looks amazing, isn't it? Yes, it looks good. And now your customer are going to love it. And second option, now if you want to use less of the features, you can just click on this show tab bar and then this tools button will appear here. So now if you want to use this follow-up option, just drag and drop it here. You want to use scheduled messages feature, just drag and drop this here. If you do not want to use it, drag and drop it here. Drag, drop it here. That's it. It is how easy to clean your header. Okay, so these functions are enough for me, and now I will again tell you more of the features, or you can say the we have created forms layout in the steps option. So you here you can see that first step, second step, and then third step. We have categorized almost everything into steps. So first you will create a template name here. I will create it testing, and this is for quick reply. I do not want to change anything here, so I will click next. I will put my message here. I will put hello here and first name. So good. Now next option is for these post actions. So I will do not want to change anything here and just save it and see this testing appears here. Okay, so just click on this and wait till your see hello Hardik. So it is working. Next, bulk messages. Now see, here are 5 steps. First option is to select your contacts. I'll select one from here. Adding contact is the first step. Second step is to choose the type of your template. I will choose message here. I'll put hello here. And third step is to setting the delay, or if you want to schedule this message, I'll set 3 to 10 seconds. It's good for me. And fourth option, you can set your actions here. So actions are already good. And fifth options give you the review. So there are one recipients, one message, 3 to 10 second delay, mode context, schedule immediate, pause off, and message preview. Like see, you can see hello here, and click on this understand and send. So you see, now this dashboard looks neat and clean. Okay, everything is organized, good for your customers, good for you. And let's wait for this message to be sent, and then I will talk about the next feature. Wow, message sent successfully. Okay, so the next feature here is our dock. If you have used Mac before, you will love this feature because we have our dock here. So how to turn this on and turn this off? Go to feature setting, scroll to the bottom and see, this is left side feature dock. So you can enable it or disable it. I will enable it, and when you click on any feature, you will see this dock. So now if you want to go to Kanban really fast, just click on this and Kanban will open. So that's how it is easy to use the features, and I'm sure you are going to definitely love these features. Thank you so much.